Now beta, we will see one more example. Exercise 3.3, question number 9. Find the greatest number which divides 74, 112 and 152, leaving remainders 2, 4 and 6 respectively. So first we will subtract the remainders. Respectively means from 74 we have to subtract 2, from 112 we have to subtract 4, and from 152 we have to subtract C. So after subtracting we will get from 74 when subtracted to 72, 108 and 146. Now we will find the prime factors of the given numbers. For finding HCF there are two methods, in which first we can list all the factors and we will find the common factors. And other method which one is easy is this, we will first find the prime factorization. We will find the factors, prime factors. So this number 72 is even number, so now you have to practice of dividing in mental. So 2 3s are 6, 1 left over, 2 6 are 12, 36. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 9s are 18. This 9 will be divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are all prime factors of 72. Now same manner we will find out prime factors of 108. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again divide by 2 because it is a even number. 2 2s are 4, 1 left over, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27. Now 9 will be divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And we will find factors till we will get 1 here. Okay. So these are the prime factors of 108. Now here 146 even number. So first we will divide by 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. Now 73 is the prime number. So it will be divisible by only 1 or 73. So we have divided it by 73. So 73 ones are 73. So these are the prime factors of 146. After dividing, finding the prime factors, we will write down. So we have written the prime factors of 72 in front of 108 prime factors in front of 108 and 146 prime factors in front of 146. After doing this, we will find the common factors. So common factor among all the three number is only 2. Okay, because these numbers are in the in 72, 2, 3 these are there, but in 146 there is no other number which is common. So after writing common factors, only 2, we will not write. The children, what mistake they do, 2 into 2 into 2 they will write in this manner, but the common number among 3 is only 2, so that will be written only once as a common factor. Only one number is there, so common factor is 2, and that will only the highest common factor. So the answer for this number, the highest number which will divide 72, 108 and 146 completely will be 2. So in this manner you have to do this question in your maths copy, and there are 2 more sums which you will do on the basis of the explained sum.